Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the ABS fuses are located on that Kia Optima. If you have problems with ABS not working guys, ABS light being on, ABS pump not working, check these fuses. You have up to 5, stay with us guys. Some of them are located inside the vehicle, some under the hood in the engine compartment. So we're going to cover all that today and we will explain guys why it's super important to test your fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food, well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So we showed you where that interior fuse box is located and we took a picture so we can zoom in and show you. Otherwise it's impossible for us guys to get the camera, light and my hand at the same time to show you where that fuse is located. The first fuse that you need to check, you need to come from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth row, then come 1, 2, 3, then you come 4, okay, that 10 amp fuse guys, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth fuse guys, it's known as MDPS fuse, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check guys, okay, right here. This fuse, you need to check that one. That's the first one for the ABS system, super important fuse. Now, you have a few more, okay, and the next ones guys are actually under the hood in the engine compartment fuse box right here. You have one tap on this side, okay, one on this, squish, pull straight up, and we're going to explain where the other fuses are located. On the back side you can see the fuses printed. What we did, we actually printed the back side, tried to zoom it a little bit so we can show you okay where exactly those fuses are located. The first fuse that we need to check guys, it's ABS number 1, okay, right here, 40 amp fuse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is that big multi fuse guys here, and if you come and you count the fifth fuse from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 40 amp fuse guys, that's the fuse, okay, that you need to check. Now we have a special video that explains how to test the multi-fuse, but even regular fuses, super important to test them, because you may think you have a good fuse, excuse me, or you replace it with a new fuse that actually is a bad fuse. You're going to spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima when all you had to do is test the fuse and find out it's bad. We have that video and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now guys, you have a few more fuses, okay, for that ABS and traction control. ABS number 2, 30 amp fuse. So if you come right here, this fuse is there as well. That's for the ABS guys, super important. You have another one guys, okay, that's known as ABS number 3, 1, 2, 3. So come to this one, that 10 amp fuse, okay, this is for that purpose as well guys. Super important fuse, you need to check this one out. It's for the ABS system as well, and you need to make sure that this is a good fuse. And some vehicle will have one more fuse guys, and the other fuse, okay, it's under a different name guys. There is nothing like ABS or anything like that. So what it's called, if you look at it guys, you don't see any ABS fuses, okay, any ABS fuses. You can see horn, fuel pump. So you have another fuse in some cases, okay, that's called MDPS. This one right here, this is part of the multi-fuse, and the very first fuse, 80 amp fuse, that's part of the ABS system as well guys. So check that fuse as well. Those are all the fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.